I will be giving the Super Eagles $50,000 for each goal that they give during this tournament until this tournament is over. This is my support for them.
All right, thank you.
Wait, are you going to promise them?
Yeah, you said $50,000.
Dollars or naira?
No, dollars.
That's 18 million naira. Makofugo. Hey, I'm not going to go. I go business magu. I'm not going to go.
Chuku is a Chuku now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Sir, the Spiders have played, but they crashed out.
Emily, yeah?
But they scored 2 goals.
2 goals!
Sir, 2 goals.
6 million, 2 goals!
But Ofubo own goal.
Ofubo on goal. I got good on goal now. So 18 million can make it. My name is Hawk, yeah? Emily, huh? Oh, thank God.
Thank God, sir. They won Spider, you say thank God. Thank God how?
It's about too far about Grania. How come on is Simere for Hannah? I'm 100 goal. No, to come 18 million. How come on is Simere for Hannah?